What's up, ladies and gents? Wait a second. What's up, ladies and gents? As promised, we are back. And as you can see, I've been hidden by this MSI Prospect 700R, which compliments of MSI will be part of the giveaway this coming weekend for the stream. But that's not it. They have provided us with something on the smaller spectrum, the Spatium M480 1TB NVMe SSD. Ladies and gents, as you can see, MSI are pulling out all the stops for this weekend's giveaways on the Diablo 4 stream. But this isn't it. There is still one little cheeky giveaway we are going to surprise you with. So come back tomorrow, leave your comments in the comment section below. Let us know what your predictions are. You might be wrong, you might